Today I'm fixing my friend's water damaged cooker in M5 Pro.
Should we take
Man!
Should we take Should we?
Take it out. Just flip the screw. Oh my. Oh my. If you remember from previous videos, I actually tried fixing it once and that didn't work.
Oh! Okay, so
Bro. Because it needs a new controller. Hopefully it needs a new controller. Because the problem might be the Hall sensors. If it's the Hall sensors, it's bad. I hope it's the controller. We have a brand new controller and we're gonna replace it. And we also have hydraulic brakes, but the tube is not long enough.
and the mount.
You're gonna have to get a longer tube. And you also need the mount because this one is too small. But bro, this brake lever is heavenly, bro. It has bearings.
You can't 3D print the mount, right?
If you 3D print the mount, it's gonna break the first time you're gonna hit the brake. It will crack. It's plastic. Okay, let's get to work.
Imbus.
Imbus. The imbus screw.
No.
Allen key, bro. Joy said imbus screw.
Imbus screw.
Oh, I hope it's the controller and not the Hall sensors. If it's the Hall sensors, you either replace the Hall sensors or you fix your VESC and run it sensorless. Well, I will fix your VESC. I will try fixing your VESC in a future video. That will be fun. It will explode. It will catch on fire.
Why?
Because I never fixed the VESC before. I have to replace the MOSFETs and possibly also replace the gate drivers and some diodes. Let's hope it's just the MOSFETs.
Let's make some ASMR for this boss video.
No man, ASMR.
I hope it sounds good at least.
Yo, what is the dog doing?
Dog is trying to get inside to work on the scooter with us.
Yeah, the dog ain't fixing the scooter. The dog will piss on the scooter. Yo, it's open. Okay. Garbage. This is the controller. So this is the lighting wire. This is the Hall sensor. This is the display. Get out. It's not coming. Okay, the phase wires and the XT60. Okay, we'll have to do. Hold on, let me actually check something. Okay, we have to cut the connectors and
Near the connectors.
yes, and use these ones. So what you're gonna have to do is cut near the connector. We're removing the old ones to use these ones. Because I replaced these connectors the last time I tried fixing your scooter. These are bullet connectors.
This is the new controller or what?
This is the new controller.
Then what's wrong with those connectors?
They don't match because I replaced your connectors. And we're gonna put these on the new controller. Do you have pliers?
Yes.
Give me pliers. I also need the soldering iron and this stuff. Also, one more thing I need to do. He bypassed the key ignition. I have to also do that. Well, this wasn't my work. Look at this. Look what Technoki did. Bro, I need something to cut wires. Bro, this wire ain't going in. Let's cut near the connector. Oh.
So cut the video.
Okay, now we need these.
No.
Bro, can you believe bro's getting his scooter fixed finally after how many months? Can you believe the soldering iron will get hot? Who would have thought? Bro, you ain't burning down the floor. This floor can't burn. Okay, let's solder the phase wires. The last time I burned myself because we were building the 3S battery pack. Oh boy, that battery pack is pure death.
Cool. Okay, then put it on the scooter. Come on.
No, I'm scared. What if the BMS cuts power? My VESCs will be fried. If I think about it, maybe that's why your VESC died. Oh yes.
I think it
Toxic fumes. Come on, melt. Okay, this one is good enough. No, don't inhale soldering fumes. Soldering fumes are pretty bad actually, but I do not concern myself with safety. I'm gonna die from high speed anyway. Lots of poisonous gases. The phase wires are soldered. Let's bypass the key. Okay, so the key is bypassed. If it doesn't work, it's a Hall sensor. Plug the phase wires in the display, plug in the lights, not like you're using them, plug in the Hall sensor, okay, and the...
Norway. What? I mean, that's better than before.
Bro, your hall sensors are cooked. No, my days, bro. You know what that means? You wasted money on a new controller.
The next day.
Yeah.
This time I'm gonna try something different. Maybe, just maybe, there's a chance it could be the motor cable. Put it like this. Hold your phone so it doesn't fall. Let's see. Oh, I hope this is the problem. We have cables. They look fine. Hold on, can you bring the tool to take the motor off? Meanwhile, I'ma open your scooter.
Okay.
Bro burped. Bro, this scooter is so cooked. There's the G2 Master right there. Bro, I hope I can fix this scooter today. I just wanna be done with this. I will just check the continuity from here to the hall sensors inside of the motor. If everything checks out, that means the hall sensors are fried. The big wrench.
Yes, the big one.
Okay. The motor of doom. Oh man, the smell inside of this motor. Bro, it smells like a rotting corpse. Cookie ring quality. No, M5 Pro quality. How come my cookie rings are good?
You're not a brick wall.
Bro's watching.
Push in.
Bro's attention span is lower than a coconut.
No, but I'm watching push in. Now I'm watching the Kabu GTR custom. Guy.
Oh yes, something you won't have. Are you gonna get employed?
Yeah!
Are you gonna get a job? You had a job and you said you never gonna do that again. Then what job are you gonna get?
I don't know anything
Flipping
else.
the burgers. My car's blue, but my neck.
My balls are blue.
Hey! Get out. Oh my
yeah.
days. Oh my days.
Yeah.
The insides of this oh no. They are on the other side. We have to take the stator out.
Indeed. No way. Oh, it's working, yo.
I need someone to pull it out. I can't lift it.
Yes.
Okay, pull it out.
It's coming! It's coming in.
Oh, look at the magnet. Bro, what is inside of this motor?
Smells like winding.
Bro, this motor is toast. Damn. Let's check the wires though.
That motor looks really bad. What even
Okay.
is all of this yellow stuff?
I don't know. That's what I'm wondering too.
Okay.
Okay, we have continuity in the positive.
No way.
Hold on, let me see.
Then the negative?
Hold it. The yellow one.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, green. Okay, green, blue, and black. Well, your motor is f***ed. The wires are good. The hall sensors are f***ed. But look at the state of this motor. You might as well replace the whole thing.
But the new one would be stronger.
No, it won't.
Lonio. And
Oh
Vesk.
man, put the fire in the bag.
Lonio,
You're broke. Pull the cable. Good. It's not all the way in.
So you can...
Now it
More.
is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? How are you gonna get Lonio? With what money?
It's 240 euros. It's like 1,000 lei only.
Nah, only. How much
Yes.
money do you have to your name?
Yeah, I told you it's gonna fall.
We don't need it anymore.
Ah.
The scooter is cooked, that's it. Yes, let's test the scooter.
Yeah,
I'm sure it will work. It in fact didn't fix itself. Guys, don't ever get no cookie in M5 Pro. Alright, enough recording. This scooter is still cooked. I don't know when it's gonna get fixed.